for checking out the Oriental Rug Care videos. We love washing and repairing rugs. On this project here is a silk rug where we needed to insert new silk fringes individually. So what our repair person did was peel back the edging and inserted new silk pieces into the fringe. It used to be cotton, but they wanted silk. So you can see here in that red container there, cone. And now she wanted to put in this gold silk. Takes a lot of time, but it's really worth it. It's much better than cotton. Washes great, it looks rich. The rug came out really good at the end. You can see more videos at orientalrugcare.com. Please look to see what kind of specials we have going on right now. We offer free pickup and deliver. Call us today and look at our website at orientalrugcare.com and hit the QR code on the video to take you to our current monthly special.